Hello everyone, I'm Mathurra. Today we'll be painting a fairy with a wand. The materials we'll be needing today are watercolor paper, 2 round brushes, 2 jars of water, watercolor paints, I'm using Himi watercolors, and a tissue paper or a cloth. I've added a rough sketch of the artwork that we are going to paint today. I'm adding a coat of water to the wings. We'll be using this method to paint all the elements of this artwork. Now I start by adding a very light shade of blue to the wings. Repeat the same process for all the wings. It's time for some magic. Let's add a glow around the wand. Apply water in a circular way around the wand. Then let's apply some yellow paint over and around the wand. For that magical glow, let's run a damp brush around the paint. For the golden hair of the fairy, I'm starting with a yellow shade and gradually moving on to an orange shade. Add a brown shade for the depths. I'm using a pink shade for the dress. Since I had applied water for the dress part, the paints are spreading very easily. As I add paint for the skirt, I add some darker highlights here and there to depict the frills in the skirt. I am using a dark red shade to add highlights for the hair. For the skin, I am using a light pink shade with a mix of yellow. Similarly, let's apply paint to the hands and the legs. Let's outline the wand with a bright red color. Let's add the beautiful face for the fairy. As for the final touches, I'm adding white highlights on the fairy's wings. And we are done. I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you.